All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Tectonic. That's right, this cryptocurrency, you can put it in there, invest some of your idle crypto, all kinds of good stuff. We're going to go through a little deep dive of Tectonic. Have you heard of Tectonic? What do you think of it? Also, at the end, we're going to cover a stable fund, a little project I've been doing for about 2 weeks. I'm doing pretty good with it, and BUSD crop yield farmers. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, one day even own it, understand it, and be involved in it. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, here we go. Tectonic is number 3365 on CoinMarketCap. It's down 8% in the last 7 days. It's down 4% today. Let's go ahead and click it. Okay, so here we go. It's down a little bit. It's going down, down, down. This could be a good time to price cost average yourself. So in the last 24 hours, it's going down. Let's look in the last 7 days. Last 7 days, we got some ups and we got some downs. So Tectonic. Let's go over to their Twitter account. So on their Twitter account, it says Tectonic, a cross-chain money market on Cronus chain. They have 49,000 followers. Couple things. Pickle Finance has a thing going on with them. Our Tectonic folding jars offer fantastic yield. A naked Cronus chain, CRO, and ETH. Our keepers automatically manage the position for you. On Crow, you get a 45% APY. On WETH, you get a 10% APY. And back in March, they went over $1 billion. They're a little bit lower than that. Their Twitter account hasn't really been updated lately, so not much going on their Twitter. Going over to their actual website, Tectonic is a shift in borrowing and lending. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for passive yields and accessing instant-backed loans. They got $437 million in their total supplies, and a total borrowed is only $178 million, so not too bad there. A couple things about it. It says generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposited in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on a dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are available immediately with no lockups. And it says right here, start saving today. A couple things that are nice over here. Instant loans, instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity for idle crypto assets in Tectonic. This is the nice part of right here. If you have some idle crypto that you're doing nothing with and you're just watching it go down, 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 because the streets are still bloody, you can actually think about Tectonic to throw it in here. And it says get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets. Tectonic. All right, it says keep your funds safe is our top priority. Audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain security auditors, Slow-Miss. The insurance fund is coming. And on the open source, it says an open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic proudly are committed to. Couple things here. Frequently asked question, what is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income or borrow funds to unlock liquidity. You got to admit it, everybody. Everybody's looking for that passive income. Passive income is important. How does Tectonic work? Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a various interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. And then it says, what is Tectonic? Tonic is the Tectonic protocol token with two key uses, governance and staking in the community insurance pool to secure the protocol and earn more rewards. It says join the community today. We'll do a little price prediction when we come back here. So again, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Passive income, that's what we're all looking for. I'm going to cover two things here. Stable fund and crop yield farmers. We'll go over to crop yield farmers first because I'm going to talk about that just for a second. All right, so BUSD crop yield farmers. So look at, I invested $918 into this. I have $22 sitting there. I have 20 minutes before I actually withdraw it, and I've already withdrawn $378. So let's take the 378, 22, could be a little bit higher, So after I make this withdrawal here in 20 minutes, I'm going to have over $400 of my 918 back. Look at some of these returns. I'm actually in all 4 of these plans. Plan 1, you get 2% a day. You get a 400% ROI for 200 days. So this is a 200-day plan. Plan number 2 is 2.5% a day. It's only a 90-day lockup. Well, actually, the money you put in there, you lose, or it's burn, or it's in the protocol. You get the return. So, like the way I like to look at it, the 100% of my money's in there. Look at 225. So subtract 100. I'm getting 125% profit ROI. But the ROI is 225. Plan number 3 I just did yesterday, 3% a day for 60 days, 180% ROI. And plan number 4 is a 40-day lockup, or 40-day, you put the money in for 40 days and you get your rewards for 40 days, 140%. So take a look at this. This is what I've invested. In plan number 1, I put 200 BUSD and I get 2% a day for basically 174 more days. Plan number 4, I put $69 in here. I get 3.5%. And I get 14 more days until this one is done. Plan number 2, I put the most in, $512, right here, 512 BUSD. I got 68 days left. I get 2.5% a day. And just yesterday, I put 137 BUSD in this. I get 3%, and remember, it's a 60-day program, so I got 59 days left. So I got 4 of these things running. The key to this is every single day I come over here and I get my money out. I've already got $378 back. So after I actually get this $22, I have $400 back. You know, I can pretty much 200 and 137. It's like I almost got all my money back for these first 3. Or my 400, I got 400 of my 512 back. But look at all the days I still got left. 174 days left on this one. 14 days left on this one, 68 days left on this one, and 59 days left on this one. So I wanted to show you this BUSD crop yield farmers. It's a banger. It's doing good. The thing I like about it is it actually pays out in BUSD. All right here, stable fund. I wanted to show you this. Next generation crypto fund, powered by state-of-the-art and training bots, built on Polygon chain. You actually get 1.5% rewards daily, which I really like. StableFund is a state-of-the-art trading bot app that offers maximum profits on crypto trades. It uses next-generation technology, analyzing trading strategies shared by pro traders to create trades that bring the highest profit. StableFund bots run day and night seamlessly to ensure the pool of funds keep growing. The user can deposit, withdraw capital, generate rewards, and create passive income. It's very simple. It kind of shows you over here what happens here with the bot. You put your Matic in, you give it to the bot, you get 1.5% back a day. The expert trader is going to find things to invest in. You're going to get high returns, and you're going to be able to invest. I've actually invested. Let's take a look at this. All right, so I'm logged into this. I want to show you this. I actually just made a claim, but I want to show you. Look, I put 257 Matic in this. 257 Matic, and I put it in on the 10th of June. It's only locked up for 16 more days. You can actually get all your money back on this, so you don't lose your money. It's just locked up for 30 days. So in 16 days from now, I can withdraw all my capital. Right now, I only can withdraw my rewards. So I actually had 257 Matic laying around. I put it all in here. Take a look. I've already got 47 right here. 47 Matic as profit. I think I left like 2 Matic to pay the gas fee, so maybe like 45 Matic. So literally right here, my profits, I've already kind of claimed for today. I had 10 of them sitting there. So since I have 10 of them sitting there, Matic is actually, I believe it's 40 cents right now. But I just wanted to share this product with you. There's no referral fee on this one. Stable fund. I'll leave the link in the bottom that you can check it out. Nobody gets any referrals from doing this. This is why you probably haven't heard of this. But powered by state-of-the-art AI trading bots. So you get 1.5% a day. You put your Matic in. I put 257 in. Look at on June 10th, and I got 16 more days. In 16 more days, I can withdraw my whole capital. My friend did this. He's on his 2nd month. He never withdrew his capital, so he keeps making the 1.5% a day. So just kind of wanted to share that with you guys. Look, they say there's 3,049 investors doing this. So earn 1.5% rewards daily. but you don't lose your money that you put in there. And it's not like drip that it's in there forever, or piston that it's in there forever. After 30 days, you can actually pull your initial investment back out. You don't receive rewards if you pull it out, but at least you can get your money back. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. BUSD crop yield farmers paying out in BUSD. Come on now, BUSD, that stuff never goes down. It's pegged to $1. This stable fund, I actually heard yesterday they're coming out with the BUSD stable fund one too. But I've had this in there for 15, 16 days. I've already made about 45 Matic, and I'll be able to pull my 257 Matic back out in 16 days and get all my money back. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic for a little price prediction. All right, Tectonic, it says join the community. And right here, of course, you have your white paper that you can check out. It says, what is Tectonic? You can go through everything, the fundamentals of Tectonic, the supplying assets to Tectonic, borrowing assets for Tectonic, liquidity. I mean, everything you need to know is right there at the bottom of the page. How Tectonic works. You know, give an example of John after 3 months. You know, and here's what it says. He says he deposits 5,000 USDC, and then he receives 2,500 back after 3 months. So he says he redeems the supplies. He earns 10% with the 3-month holding period, receiving back 51.25 USDC. So all kinds of good stuff going on here. Check this out for on the white paper. All right, what's our price prediction here? So looking at this, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and a 1503. It's down 4%. I'm sorry, it's down 8% for the week. I think this coin's still going to go down since it's going down. Hey, look at this one, up 25%. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 6 zeros and a 1403. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Nobody can time the bottom, remember that. So again, on price predictions, people are just taking a guess at it. Again, I'm not a financial planner. I do all this for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Stable fund, I'm going to leave in the bottom. There is no referral to it. Check it out. I've been doing it for 15 days. It's working I probably claim my money every 2 or 3 days. I kind of let it build up. I had 10 Matic there today, so I took the 10 Matic out, and now it's starting all over again. In 16 days from now, I can take all my Matic out and be done with the project, and I would be left with my rewards and my initial. BUSD crop yield farmers paying out 4 different plans. You got to love it. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here. I'm going to link actually a BNB miner. Has been paying out for 450 days. Best miner on the planet. And then I'm also going to link my BUSD crop yield farmers right here. All right, everybody. Have a fantastic day. Tectonic being featured, stable fund, and BUSD crop yield farmers. Have a great day.